Welcome back to my channel. Just random things. Today we're going to talk about something very important, that is the UPSC examination. We're going to go into some details where we're going to go some over the like an overview sort of thing. So let's get into it. First of all, let's go with the full form. So what is the full form of UPSC? It's Union Public Service Commission. Okay. So the ranks you secure from here are, you get IAS, you get IPS, you get IFOS. IFOS is an Indian Forest Services. You get IFS, which is Indian Foreign Services, and there are a lot of services, but majorly they're divided into Group A and Group B. Yeah, and you don't have to take notes about of this. I'm gonna share this in the in the box below, so that's fine. Yeah. So moving on, let's get into what the examination is. So let's get into that. UPSC exam. So first of all, it has 3 phases. We'll talk about 1, 2, and 3rd. So the first one is your prelims. Your second one is your mains, and the third is your interview. Now, your prelims is an objective based test. That is, you have MCQs, you're going to mark the answers. You don't have to write anything here, you just have to mark the answers. Here, we'll discuss prelims, mains, and interview each in detail. I'll just give you an overview for now. In mains, you have subjective kind of questions, that is, you have to write long answers, descriptive answers for 10 and 15 marks. An interview is your personality test. Now, you clear prelims, you go to mains. You clear mains, you go to interview. This is for every year. If 1 year you clear prelims, mains, and you go to interview, but you're not able to clear your interview, and the next year you say no, but I cleared it, so if I'll just appear for interview, that doesn't happen. From each year it is from scratch. Okay, let's get that clear. Okay, let's just highlight these details so it will be easier for you to get through. Okay, now let's actually talk about all of these in detail. Now, first of all, this prelims, it is for qualifying purpose only. So when actually allotting a rank, your prelims marks are not considered. Okay, let's go to mains. Mains and interview marks are very important because those marks are considered. Now let's talk about mains. Okay, so here we have mains. Okay, before mains, let's just talk about the prelims. Prelims, we have 2 papers, which is, one is your GS, General Studies, and one is your CSAT. Okay, and these are only qualifying. Their marks are not counted for your rank. Okay, and these are 200 marks papers. Okay, now let's go to mains. Now in mains, your total mains marks are 1750. Okay. Now, what papers do you have to give in mains? Remember, for mains, an interview is very important for your rank. Okay? Very important for your rank. Then you go to your mains. Let's talk about mains, which is very important. In mains, you have 750 marks total. Now, let's talk about the papers that you have to give in mains. So, first of all, in mains, you have paper A and B. These are qualifying papers, okay? These are qualifying only. These are one Indian language and one English. Okay? Then your paper 1 to 7 starts. In your paper 1, you have essay. Okay? Which is of 250 marks. Then you have your paper 2. From here, your GS starts. GS 1, which is again of 250. You have paper 3. You have GS 2, 250 marks. You have paper 4, which is GS 3, again 250 marks. Then you have paper 5, which is your GS 4. GS 4 is your ethics paper, ethics and aptitude. And then these last two papers, paper 6 and paper 7, these will be different individually because they are your optional subjects. So it's your optional paper 1 and it's your optional paper 2. These are the most scoring, and these are only qualifying. Paper A and paper B, paper 6 and paper 7, that is optional 1 and optional paper 1 and optional paper 2 are scoring. And don't be mistaken, these are not two subjects. This whole is one subject itself. So this is only one optional subject. You have only one optional subject. Okay? Now, the most difficult or diverse syllabus difficulty level is for your paper 3 and your paper 4, that is GS2 and GS3. So these are difficult because of the diverse syllabus. Okay, I think you're with me still. You have your interview, which is of 275 marks, which is a combination of what you know and how can you put it in person in front of a, say, jury, or a group of people, jury being a group of people, or teachers or your professors. Okay, and that's it for today, guys. Like, share, comment, and tell me what do you want more. Bye.